In today's video, we'll dive into one of the most common and dangerous cyber threats, phishing. We'll explore what phishing is and how you can protect yourself. Phishing is a type of cyber attack using fraudulent messages to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. It accounts for 36% of all cyber attacks globally, often leading to larger breaches like ransomware or identity theft. The term phishing emerged in the mid-1990s, with early attacks targeting AOL users to steal login credentials. Hackers craft realistic-looking messages pretending to be trusted entities, leading to potential data theft. Victims may receive emails about fake invoices or account recovery alerts that lure them into clicking links. Common types of phishing attacks include email phishing, spear phishing, smishing, SMS, and Vishing voice. Look for red flags in messages like misspellings, generic greetings, and urgent language to identify phishing attempts. Phishing attacks lead to approximately 90% of data breaches, with businesses losing millions per breach on average. Use multi-factor authentication, enable spam filters, and educate yourself to protect against phishing. If targeted, avoid clicking links, report the attack, monitor your accounts, and change passwords immediately. Resources include books on phishing, websites to check for compromised emails, and apps for protection. Phishing attacks are getting more sophisticated, but with the right tools and awareness, you can stay safe.